I can definitely see why Alfred calls this place the shit show. It's been about 30 minutes me just trying to get my boy out of the water. So my lovely girlfriend just had an amazing idea. I'm gonna ask you guys what type of merchandise you guys want to see on Boat Vibes. I've been working on a lot of things. I've been talking to designers, trying to get that right design, something that I would want to wear. You know, it's obviously gonna be go fast, a go fast boat style. So drop down below. Do you guys want to see the dry fit hoodies? Do you guys want to see these type of hats? You know, these straw hats that I always wear with my logo in the front and design in the bottom. What else? Thinking of maybe some glasses like the I wear, some pink hats, some dry fit pink hats with a nice logo. So comment down below what you guys think, what you guys want to see, and stay tuned because we're gonna be dropping something in the next month. I ain't gonna say soon. We've been behind the scenes at this for a long time, and trying to get this done for the first time ain't easy, guys. So stay tuned. It's a little too choppy. I can't open her up, but you can still enjoy the day. Today I want to explore these shallow waters a little bit. I've never really been close to the edge over here, so go explore. Because we can't really be in the ocean in the checkmate. Way too choppy. I know I'm gonna try to go over there. Hopefully it doesn't get too shallow. But it looks like a fun little cove, a nice little cove. Hopefully it's not too shallow. It's low tide right now also. It's about 4 feet right now. You're gonna put that on silent or what? You're killing my video.
My video.
No, my video.
My video.
Our video.
I'm the behind the scenes director.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright, it's a lot more zen now. It's a lot more peaceful now that your phone's not ringing. I love that noise too. I miss sleeping on a houseboat because this is where you'll fall asleep to. The click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. Those of you who have slept on a houseboat or slept on a boat in general know that sound. Click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. Man, I miss that sound. I'll fall asleep right here and I'll probably wake up at 1 in the morning. I ain't trying to do that.
How do we get back?
The thing is that right there where those little mango trees are over there, that's the channel. So we're not even far. We're probably a quarter of a mile away from the boat ramp. Oh yeah, I'm not stressing. This is beautiful right here. Alright guys, so we made it back to Blackpoint Marina. Everybody's showing back up. And I don't see Mr. Alfred here today from the shit show. I know a lot of you guys follow his YouTube channel also, Alfred Montaner. I'm subscribed, I enjoy all his videos. He's actually one of the first YouTubers one of the YouTubers that started motivating me to start recording here in Miami. So, everybody's there recording. Everybody's there watching people park up. He usually hangs out right here behind this bush. Not there though. Let's see. Let's see if we got anything good for you guys today. Ooh, borders and customs, border patrol. Something's going on here, guys. You got border patrol, you got policemen, and you got a lot of people watching. I think something's happening that you're not. They're keeping both of these docks closed. Oh Lord. Oh. Yo, the homie's coming in a little close there. Live action for you guys. I'll just wait. I'm in no rush. I love this boat, so comfortable. Rope's ready, guys. Right. Hopefully I don't have a shit show parking. Hopefully we pull this off, guys. And my reverse a little messed up, so if you see me here reach out 2 hands, because I'm pulling it manually. It's a project, bro. Don't look at it too close. Here, thank you, man. Thank you, man. Oh yeah. So this is like the 3rd time I strip it. Like I have all the parts in here and everything. It's just I'm in the process of making it different. Version, I think this is gonna be like version 4.
All set?
Yeah. We're just waiting for the gentleman in the front. You know what? Let me get my truck keys. Let me get my truck keys. Something's going on. We got U.S. Customs and Miami-Dade. Patience is key, guys. Because you know how to do something very well doesn't mean you should stress somebody else out who doesn't know what they're doing. So let me just walk away, because I feel like giving him pointers, but the only way he's gonna learn is doing it himself. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Should I go help him out? Should I go help him out?
I'm going to use number 10. All right. Use that marker 15. Oh, yeah, that's right there. I just thought about it.
Well, something's going on here, guys. So actually, it's not that bad that he's taking forever. It's a nice Seacraft right there. Look, we have a Seacraft. Love that boat. Very sexy boat. Real nice Seacraft. Real nice Seacraft. So it's gonna be this gentleman's probably fourth time trying to put this trailer there, and he's already messing up. Nope, 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 nope. Too close to those other trucks, guy. Where are you going? Nope, nope, nope. People, ¿quiere que te lo haga? Oh, tú tienes bote grande. Tú tienes de atrás. Yo voy a sacarle el camión rojo. ¿Sí? Pero ve para atrás un poquito más. Just a little bit more back. Yo soy rápido. Don't look at the trailer, guys. I'm ashamed of my trailer. Eddie from Ultimate Trailers is gonna be rebuilding my trailer for me, so stay tuned. We should be good. I can definitely see why Alfred calls this place the shit show. It's been about 30 minutes me just trying to get my boat out of the water. So let's go there. Let's go get the boat out of the water. Another gentleman who doesn't know how to back up his trailer. Come on, buddy. I'm trying to go edit a video for my YouTube family. Alright, let's go. Not that hard, guys. Look. Little bit of a wobble, but not too bad. So I was part of the shit show a little bit, but I saved it.
No, you handled it.
I handled it real well.
Everybody was like,
Yeah. I know how to drive the boat. I wish we would have got it on camera, guys. But we're out of here. Less than a 5-minute launch. Oh! I'm part of the shit show. There we go. All right, guys. So stay tuned for tomorrow. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the deal.
Merch comment.
Peace. Oh, comment down what merch you want to see on my Boat Vibes store. Coming out in the next month or two. Peace.